G'day pesto lovers. Today we're making a classic pesto alla Genovese, or basil pesto. But I'm going to show you my Aussie pub version, which has a couple of flavour boosts for a smoother, richer taste, and an ultra fast method. Let's get into it. The heart of our pesto is of course beautiful fresh basil, which will be taken to new heights with two simple flavour boosters. We'll be using roasted pine nuts for a deeper flavour, and some confit garlic. I'll leave a link in the description so you can make your own. It's soft, sweet, and gives us all that lovely garlic flavour and reduces some of the harsh, pungent bite. First, we need to toast our pine nuts. You can toss them in a dry pan over medium heat, moving them continuously until they're golden and you get that beautiful nutty aroma. Or you can toast them in the oven. I'd go for about 160 degrees Celsius for about 5 to 8 minutes. But whatever you do, watch them like a hawk. They go from golden to burnt in a split second. As soon as they're toasted, remove them from the heat source immediately. Get them out of that hot pan, as they will continue to cook. Let them cool completely. Alright, into a small food processor, we'll add our cooled roasted nuts and those soft, beautiful confit garlic cloves. Give that a quick blitz just to break them down. Now in goes all our basil. And don't be afraid to use those young soft stalks, they're so full of flavour. We'll add our salt and pepper in now too. Just pulse this a few times to get it roughly chopped. You'll probably need to scrape down the sides of the bowl at least once or twice. Okay, here's my time-saving trick. Because this is a smaller batch, we don't need to drizzle the oil in slowly. We're adding all of our extra virgin olive oil in one go. And for that extra flavour boost, I'm also including some of the beautiful confit garlic oil to really strengthen that sweet garlic flavour. Right, let's put the lid on and give it a good blitz. This will emulsify everything beautifully, and it's so much faster. Now with the motor off, we'll add our finely grated Parmesan and a bit of the pecorino for that extra punch. And we're going to pulse this briefly, maybe 2 or 3 times. You don't want to overwork the cheese. Check the seasoning, and that's it. Look at that. A perfect, vibrant, creamy, homemade basil pesto. The flavour from that confit garlic is just incredible. Store this in a jar in the fridge with a thin layer of olive oil on top, or freeze it in ice cube trays for a quick dinner flavour boost. If you want an even brighter green, or you find your pesto loses colour quickly, I've listed a few extra hacks for you down in the description. Thanks for watching.